Hi guys, it's Ashley Pederson here with Promo Realty and welcome to our newest listing, 1713 Notre Dame. This is a great property, well taken care of and lots of updates inside. Nice big level backyard as well. But inside you have two spacious bedrooms. One of them has a huge walk-in closet. You have one full bathroom, a great kitchen, an eat-in area, and a family room. This one is priced to move. It's a great property, be wonderful as an investment property if you're looking to rent it out, or it would be a great first-time home buyer home as well. So sit back and enjoy the tour.